Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the cyberpunk outfit in Dress and Press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to make it green. And this hairstyle, make it this color. And then you're going to make it neon. And then put on this hairstyle and you're going to make it black. This mask, make it black and green. And this necklace, make it black and also green. And the sunglasses, make it this color. Okay, and this eyelashes, you're going to choose to go for. And then I'm going to put on this item and make it black for the first selection until the last selection. Okay, like this guys. And you're going to put on this item and then make it black. Okay, and let's move to this area and then we're going to put on this item, make it green, this green, and then make it rainbow glitter. And you're going to put on this boot, make it this color, just leave it like that. And then put on this mesh, you're going to make it thick and then select toggle 5. And then you're going to go to the dressing room. Okay, and from here you're going to go to the coats item and you're going to select this top and make it this pattern. And then you're going to put on this dress. Okay, and select toggle 2. And then you're going to make it this green color. This one. And for the second selection, just leave it like that. And for the third selection, make it green. And for the fourth selection, make it this neon green. Okay, just like this. Okay, and it's done guys. This is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.